Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razwal and I post videos weekly on how to do easy cocktails at home. If you're hosting a party, that's going to be perfect. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the variations based on Long Island iced tea, which is a Bullfrog. If you haven't seen my previous variations which I have done, you could check the link in the description below or you could check it somewhere up here. So this cocktail is based with 4 white spirits, blue curacao and Red Bull. It's the same as AMF, but here we substitute Red Bull instead of Sprite. So let's get started. Take your hurricane glass. If you don't have a hurricane glass, you can use any glass at home. Fill it with ice. Add about 15 ml of white rum. You can use any preferred spirits that you have at home. I'll be using a Bacardi when it comes to white. Put 2 ml of gin. Vodka, that is also 15. Tequila. And 15 or less of blue curacao. There you go. 15 of simple syrup. And now you need to add one freshly squeezed lime juice. So take your lime, just cut it. Squeeze the freshly squeezed. There you go. Now top it up with Red Bull. There you go. Take your bar spoon, give it a stir. Just to mix the drink. And to complete the drink, all you need is a garnish. So I'll be garnishing it with a lime wheel. There you go. And don't forget to straw. Cheers. That's your Bullfrog. Guys, you're gonna love this drink so much. It's so different than based on the other variations, and as it's got Red Bull in it, it's so refreshing. You gotta try this, guys. Anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment. Let me know which cocktails you want to see or which other different videos or cocktails that you want to see. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy. Cheers.